this is probably the biggest bear of a topic you'll have to encounter, and I'm just gonna do a couple examples to make life easier. I'm gonna show you how to do it, and here's my first example. It's 3x minus 2 over 2x plus 2, and then I have plus, and it's 3x plus 3 over 4x minus 1. And so what I'm going to recommend doing first is I'm going to factor. And I get 3x minus 2. I can't factor that, but I get 2 times x plus 1 plus, and I can't do anything with the numerator over here, but I can factor this out, and I get 3 times x plus 1. And so I say simplify vertically only. I can't actually simplify anything here, so I'm stuck. But then I say find a common denominator. Well, right now the factors of my first denominator are 2 and x plus 1, and my factors of my second are 3 and x plus 1. So the left-hand side needs a 3, and my right-hand side needs a 2. So I'm going to multiply this by 3 over 3, and I'm going to multiply this by 2 over 2. And I say multiply and distribute. So when I do that, this is going to become 9x minus 6 over 2, well, 2 times 3 is 6, x plus 1, plus, and here I get 8x minus 2 over 6 times x plus 1. Now, it says denominator leave in factored form, so I'm going to leave this as 6 times x plus 1. And it says numerator combine like terms. 9x plus 8x is 17x. Negative 6 and negative 2 is a negative 8. That's it. I'm done with that one. It looks easy at first, but when you're actually doing it, it gets a little tricky. So, like I said, pause, go back, take a look, and let's try another one, shall we? How about let's do x over x squared minus 36 minus 3 over 3x plus 18. And like I said, the very first thing I do is I factor. Oh, bump, bump. My daughter just walked into the room and tripped, in case you were wondering what that was. And that's x plus 6 and x minus 6. And then I get 3, and I can factor out of 3. I get x plus 6. Oh, and look at this. This is kind of nice. Because what happens is, I then say simplify vertically only. Well, nothing happens here, but look, this becomes a 1, and that goes away. So I get, and now I need to find a common denominator. Well, this denominator has x plus 6 and x minus 6. And then this denominator just has x plus 6. So this side needs to have an x minus 6. And now you can see my two denominators are the same. So I get x over x plus 6 and x minus 6 minus x minus 6, the quantity, over x minus 6 and x plus 6. Which means my final answer is going to be, and now you have to be careful because it's going to be x minus x, which is 0, minus a negative 6, which becomes a positive 6, over x minus 6 and x plus 6. That was a good question. All right, I'm going to do one last one, and I hope that this is going to be useful and helpful, and that you'll be able to take loads away from it. So the very last one I'm going to do is going to be x plus 2y over 3x plus 12y minus 6x minus y over x squared plus 3xy minus 4y squared. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to factor, and I get x plus 2y. I can't factor that. I can factor 3 out here, so I get x plus 4y minus, I can't factor anything out of the numerator, so that's fine, I'll just leave that. And then this is going to become, I need two parentheses. I need an x and an x. Could be 2 and 2, but I need to get 3. So I'm going to use a 4 and a 1, but it has to be a 4y and a 1y. The 3 is positive, so that has to be positive, that has to be negative. And now, let's see what I can do. I have an x plus 4y and I have an x plus 4y. But this side has an x minus y and this side only has a 3. So I'm going to need to multiply this side by... That's going to be problematic. So let's say I'm going to have to multiply this side by x minus y over x minus y times x plus 2y times 3 times x plus 4y, and that's this when I get a common denominator. Minus, and now this side has everything except for the 3, so I'm going to have to multiply by 3 over 3 times x plus 4y times x minus y. Oh my goodness, this is getting crazy complicated. That's alright. And now I'm going to have to distribute. I'm going to have to erase some of this stuff over here. I got x squared plus 2xy minus xy, right? Plus 2xy minus xy gives me plus xy minus 2y squared minus, now I'm going to distribute this, but I have to negate it. So 3 times 6x is negative, it's going to be 18x. So it's going to be negative 18x. And I get negative 3y, but plus 3y because of the negative sign. All over 3 times x plus 4y times x minus y. Wow, what an example that was. Alright, hope that was useful. Enjoy.